Hi, coin collectors, coin lovers, and numismatics subject lovers. I am B.N. Nagaraj here, aged 72. Collection of coins is my hobby. I am not a professional collector. I just collect the coins as it comes to me. Okay. Today I want to just show you the various types of 1 rupee circulation coins which are in my kitty. Okay. And also 2 rupee circulation coins which are in my kitty, and 10 rupee circulation coins which are in my kitty. These are all these are all commemorative releases as well as regular circulation coins. Okay, I've already made a YouTube video on 5 rupees and loaded on the YouTube called as part 1. This is a part 3 which I'll be uploading on video. Just see, I'll show you first the face side of the coin where the denomination of the coin is written. Okay, we'll see the other side later. Okay, these are all different types of 1 rupee what you see over here. Okay, all are 1 rupee. For a layman, all 1 rupee is the same value. He just takes it from the shop or from the bank, puts it in his pocket and walks out. But a numismatic person always see from a different angle. Okay, he will see a different type of coins, and he will also see the back side of the coin, and if it is a rare coin, he will put it into his kitty. Okay, these are all 2 rupees over here. What do you see over here? Okay, now different types of 2 rupees you saw here. Now I'll show you 10 rupees also. Different type of 10 rupees. Okay, right. Okay, you can see 2 huge coins over here. Okay, 2 huge coins of 10 rupee. Okay, now we'll come back to 1 rupee. You saw the face side of the coin. Now I'll turn all the coins. You can see the other side of the coin and see how different they are. Okay, wait for a minute. Just let me turn all the coins. Okay. Okay, I think I'm turning all the coins. Right. Okay, now I've turned all 1 rupee coin. Now you can see different here. Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, again Jawaharlal Nehru coin, slightly bigger one. Okay, and a 1 rupee in regular circulation, but look at this, it's so thick. Okay, now it's very heavy also. Yeah, now still it's in circulation. A nice piece of coin. Okay, smaller version of that. Okay, now you can see Maharana Pratap written over there. Okay, now International Youth Year. Okay, Saint Tiruvalur, Food and Nutrition India. Okay, some circulation coin over here. Okay, Dr. Ambedkar centenary. Okay, 15 years of ICOS 1990. Okay, right. See, this is a tourism year coin. I heard that this is a very rare coin, printed in 1991, minted in the 1991. It has a 1 rupee denomination as well as 2 rupees denomination. I am yet to find out the value of it, but I have not found out any value of any of my coin. I am just collecting it as a hobby. Okay, I am just collecting it as a hobby. Right. Let us go to the 2 rupees side. So 2 rupees side also, I'll turn all the coins of 2 rupees. You can see the reverse side of 2 rupees also. Very interesting actually. Yeah, now let's have a closer look. Okay, I don't know what exactly, I'm not able to make out soiled actually. Okay, now it's something Louis written over there. Glare, it's not able to see properly, right? Okay, now you can see Chittaranjan Das coin. Chittaranjan Das coin, regular circulation coin, like Sri Tiruvallur you saw in 1 rupee, in 2 rupees denomination it's also there. Okay, this is one more coin here, Reserve Bank of India. Okay, now World Food Day with diversity. Okay, Asian Games coins. Okay, these are entirely different type of coin. Yeah, looks to be a nice one. Supreme Court of India, issued in the year 2000, I think, yes. Okay, now Subhash Chandra Bose. Right, some of the coins you can't make out, little bit soiled. Okay, not able to read properly. Okay, this is 2 rupees. Now we'll go to the 10 rupees and I'll reverse the 10 rupees side also. Very interesting to see the 10 rupees side coin. Okay, very interesting to see the 10 rupees coin reverse side. Yeah, see here a nice Durga Mata. Okay, Reserve Bank of India, right? Simple Ashoka Stamba 2005, and a bigger version of Ashoka Stamba, looks similar but see the difference here. Okay, now you can see, I think it is again Jawaharlal Nehru, looks like that, slightly soiled, not able to see properly. Okay, now see, these are all the commemorative issues over there. Okay, now you can see very nicely a Gandhi, I think looks like a Gandhi. Okay, not clear. Okay, one more commemorative this thing, and 10 rupees, very big coin. Okay, yeah, Mahatma Gandhi. If you see the size of these two coins, okay, very heavy coins. Okay, and then I don't think so it was under circulation for some time. Somehow I was able to lay hands on this and then I was able to collect it. So now various denominations of coins from 1 rupee to 2 rupees to 3 rupees you have seen. Okay, if you have liked my video, please subscribe to my video and press the like button. Thank you.